Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are today and I'm at Craft Alive in Mildura for this weekend. We're here from 9:30 till 4 each day and you can actually see us at the basketball court and stadium here in Mildura. So what we're going to do is this is my stand behind me. I've got a workshop over there that you can actually book in and book into 4 free workshops throughout the day. They're all different and it's all showing you how to use different pre-cuts. So what I'm going to do is highlight today the little 5-inch strips. So have you ever seen the 5-inch strips and what they can do? I have them in a lot of variety of colours. They come in your 20s or 24s, depending on what sort of fabric are in them. So they are selvage to selvage. So great to have long, wide borders on them. You can cut them back into little 5-inch squares, and you can actually cut them into the 2.5s if you want to. So we've got them in lots of elephants, and these are lovely little lace fabrics that I've got looking here. We've got our famous marble ones. These are great little country checks. So I've got them all across the front. We've got these beautiful, what I call waverly, because they've got a lovely wavy looking design through them. Okay, and we've got some cats and we've got some black and whites and all that sort of thing. Another one that you can get in the 5-inch strips is your solids. So the solid fabrics make great looking quilts. These are in your 5-inch strips. Okay, so I do one of each colour. You've got 23 colours in them. So one of each, then you can get them in the 2 of each. And as I say, my big centerpiece, which has 4 of each in it. How good would this look sitting in your craft room, and you'll be able to use it for popping any sorts of quilts and that sort of thing. So they're the 5-inch strips. So I thought I'd little highlight them. Let me just grab the camera and I'm going to show you some of the quilts that are made using 5-inch strips. So round I go, and I'm just going to show you this one behind me is the bullseye. Okay, so this one's using 5-inch strips and some black. Just I've used black on that one. Okay, as I walk around, we've seen some others that I do demonstrate throughout the day, but another one that uses some 5-inch strips is your high 5. So that's this one here. It's got some 5-inch strips and 1.5 inch. So a few others that I've got, you can make down in the back corner down here. You've got this directions one right here, and that one makes using 5-inch strips as well. So come and see me. There's my little workshop with all the chairs. All right, it's totally free to sit in at, and we've got some reserved seats already. So when they're reserved, you actually get a free little gift. All right, and you can come and watch me from here. So come and see me. I'm here at Craft Alive in Mildura from 9:30 till 4 each day for the next 3 days. And happy sewing.